Bersatu.
I want to say thanks so much. Me and my teammates, I think is very happy today to stay here to see our factory. And I'm here in Madura 3 season, and now this season's captain again. I to stay here, and I hope this season is much better than the last. And I know that my teammates and me working so hard, do the best for this season, stay Madura for top 1, okay? Amen. So thanks so much, Papa President. Thanks so much for everything. You give me your life, you give me everything for this club. I know about this. So for the last, I wanna say, let's see, but I think this season is very nice. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Kita berikan aplaus untuk Lulia.